Hello and welcome again to Phonemos, where today we are breaking down language barriers and revolutionize collaboration. Imagine being able to draft a document in English, German or any other language and then instantly translate it into Spanish, French, Italian or any other language that you need. With Phonemos, this isn't just a dream, it's a reality now. And today we show you how easy it is with Phonemos to translate your content within seconds into different languages. So let's start. Usually you would start by creating a Phonemos page. This could be any content, like for example a project proposal, a technical manual or any other text that you need to share with your team. To save us some time, we have already prepared this here. So once your document is ready, it's time to translate. Simply select the language you want to translate it into. Phonemos supports a wide range of languages, so you can communicate effectively no matter where your team or clients are located. Currently the text here is in English, as you can see. And now let's say we want to translate it into German. We click here and then just click on automatic translation and the text is translated into almost perfect German. This depends always on Deepl because it's a Deepl API that we use, so it depends on the Deepl translation how accurate the translation is. If you see something that you want to change, for example, on this translation which is not 100% accurate, you can create a translation here and then you can just type in the text that you want. So for example here I just add test, and now when you go back into your English original it says still introductions, and when you go into the German version you have your own original version. But this is not all, we can also edit the original content. For example, let's write here test, save it, and then you can translate this original content into another language. So here, if you translate it now into French, here it says tests, but the German version stays the same. So you have created now your own translation into German and then it doesn't translate it automatically. If you want to have the original functionality, then you could just delete this translation. So now there's no German translation yet, and then you let it translate itself, and now you have the translation into German from the original English text. Sounds cool, right? But this is not all. Let's say you create your own page and you create it in a wrong language. Let's say we write something in German here and put in the text here in German. And now we save it, and then Phonemos automatically detects that the content you have provided is not in German, but it's in English. And then you can just change it to the language that you want. This was today's episode about language collaboration with Phonemos. Phonemos is more than just a collaboration tool. It's a bridge that really connects people, cultures and ideas. Start your journey with Phonemos today and experience the power of multilingual collaboration. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of Phonemos. Bye bye.